Mechanical Mike here, and we're doing a video on stuff you should have in your trunk. This is some of the stuff that I have. It's going to vary depending on like your skill set, if you work on cars or not, if you have a towing company that you have on your insurance, and depending on where you are in the world, you might need different things. If you're in the country, the city, so it all depends, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I have in my trunk. The most important is your spare wheel in your vehicle or under your vehicle if you have an SUV or a truck. You definitely want to make sure that the pressure is right in it, and if you are the one that's replacing it, you want to make sure that it's going on the back of your vehicle and not the front. If you have a front tire that blows out or something, you're going to want to switch it with a back wheel and put the spare in the back for safety. I already talked about the spare wheel. If you're the one that's going to be changing it, you might want to put one of these in your trunk. This is a lot easier to break your lug nuts loose than the one that comes in the trunk. And you're going to want a reflective jacket. I got this one because it's cheap and I had it already and it's water resistant, so I can either wear it if I'm outside of my vehicle, or if I need to lay on the ground and I don't have cardboard, I'll use this. But I already have a piece of cardboard, so. Another thing I carry is a gas can. I believe I have towing on my insurance policy, but I'm a mechanic, I work on my own car, and I know a few people that might help me out if I need help. I'd rather do that than pay for a towing agency or to pay for a truck to come out to help me out. So I have a gas can. This is about a 5-gallon one, and I have jumper cables. Everybody should have jumper cables. It's pretty much common sense. Of course, this is what a lot of people also have. I mean, these are not items that are very uncommon. This is for like the windshield to keep the sun out of your car, and this could be doubled up as a mat or something to put under your wheels if you're stuck in the snow, or an insulating blanket or something, I don't know. But I have that. Keep it back there. Snow brush I keep inside, but it's in my trunk right now. So another few things you want to have in your vehicle, of course, are spare fluids in case you run out of something, your fluid's low. I don't necessarily recommend topping off brake fluid unless it's an emergency and you have a leak or something. I'm sure you can just throw some in to get you down the street to a garage or something, but I don't recommend driving a vehicle on no brake fluid or a leak. But as for everything else here, I got power steering fluid, oil, washer fluid, tranny fluid. We got some silicone spray, which is good to spray on your rubber seals on your doors and everything if you live in a winter climate, so it prevents them from freezing shut. Of course, a funnel, and you want paper towels or some rags, which I have here. And other than that, leave your recommendations in the comments. Thank you to the viewer who requested this video, and I'll be getting on doing more soon.